pockets on pockets on pockets on pockets. Like, why would you use just a normal duffel bag that you just throw everything in when you can use something like this? Honestly. Hey everyone, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, your go-to YouTube channel for all things travel essentials and packing. We travel often and pack well and want to help you guys do the same. Today I have a review of an incredible item that I found and needed to immediately get my hands on to show you guys because I'm so excited. There are so many features on this bag that I'm just like, wow. And this is a bag that a lot of people love for one bag travel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Pakt 1 travel duffel. I'm also going to be showing you their packing cubes, and then they sent their travel sling as well. So not only am I going to unbox the Pakt 1 travel duffel, but then we're going to measure it, weigh it, and go over all of the ins and outs, and then we're gonna pack it. And there's probably even gonna be some little surprises in there that I didn't even know about. That's why I love doing these in-depth reviews for you guys, because I go over every single little zipper and pocket so that you know exactly what you're getting when you order something like this. Let's go ahead and open the box. And I do know they have plastic-free packaging, which is incredible. The Journey Perfected. Now there's two sizes of this bag, the 28 liter and the 35 liter. And I went ahead and chose the 35 liter. And right here in the box, we get a little sneak peek as to what it looks like. I love when boxes are wrapped really pretty like this. It's not even Christmas yet, and I already feel like I'm getting a present. Yay, here it is. I chose the color Forest. Guys, in the box, it literally shows all of the features. I don't even need to do this review. Just read the box. All right, so here it is right out of the box. I gotta kind of fluff it up a little bit. Hold on. All right, so like I said, this is the color Forest. I absolutely love the color green, so it was a total no-brainer when I got to pick my color. But it also comes in ocean, black, sand, and undyed. The fabric is a recycled nylon that of course is water resistant. You guys don't get bags that aren't water resistant. It just doesn't make sense. And it's not shiny or anything like that. It's almost more rugged, almost like a canvas type of material. So before we start our tour, let's go ahead and do our measurements. So it is 20 inches long, just under 12 inches high, coming in at about 11.8. And the depth is kind of hard to do when it's not packed, so we can do it again when it is packed, but it is looking at about 7 inches. Obviously, like I said, this is the 35 liter bag, so it does hold 35 liters. And the weight is 2.36. And then according to the website, the 28 liter one is just a little bit smaller. This one is a ½ inch deeper, an inch and a half longer, and almost an inch taller than the 28 liter. And they weigh just about the same. So with that being said, this is technically more of a carry-on size, and that is simply just because of this length here. Anything that says it's over 18 inches long is going to be carry-on size. Okay, so now it's time to do the tour, and buckle up because there's a lot of features on here that you are going to love. What I decided to do was fill up this bag using every single little organizational pocket that they have in order to give you the full tour, because there's so many incredible things to show you on this bag that it's almost better to show you while it's packed. And I know you guys are gonna ask, so before I start the tour with everything in it, I'm going to weigh it while it's fully packed. And right now it is 29 pounds. And you don't have to fill it up with that much stuff, but I packed it as if this was one bag travel. Everything that I need for quite a long trip. Where do I start? So let's go ahead and start with the outside. You're gonna see right here on the front of the bag, there are 2 pockets, and you're gonna wanna fill these up with anything that you're going to need easy access to. They do have YKK zippers, and they do have this pull to make it super, super easy to open, especially in a hurry. And this pocket here is where you have all of the little goodies. First of all, you have this bright key leash. We also have room for a phone. I put my passport and a little travel wallet, and that's it. So in this pocket, you'll see first of all, that it is lined with a light color so you can find everything. It's not black. So you have this little slip pocket here, and then you have little mesh slip pockets. They have a little bit of elastic. So this is a skinnier one with room for maybe a pen, and then this is a little bit of a wider one. Then on this side, I went ahead and put in just a pair of sunglasses. This is just a pocket that's just a little bit more plain. It's just a nice deep pocket. Let's go ahead and move on to the back. So first you're gonna notice this zippered pocket right here. We open it up, and of course you can fit whatever you want inside of it, right? But this one also has this little mesh compartment, and you can put it on the outside if you want, so that again, you have easy access. I went ahead and put my electronics. I'm gonna leave this out for a second so I can show you the rest. Behind it, you have just a normal slip pocket with a dark interior. And then this zipper right here within the slip pocket is for a trolley sleeve, and it has a little tag that has a piece of luggage on it, because then you can slip this on over your favorite piece of luggage and be more hands-free. So that's it for the back of the bag. I'm gonna go to the side of the bag, and it does have these rings, of course, so that you can attach this handle. I'll get to the handle in just a second. But on this ring, I went ahead and put a travel pillow and a sleep mask there, so that if you do want to use those on the plane, I can just dangle them from there. I don't have to take up any interior space. Now right here we have this little pocket. It's for a water bottle, and it's hidden. Go ahead and pull it out, and you have room for a water bottle. Let's take this little 12-liter one that's kind of skinnier. You can see that it fits well, and these are little finely meshed sides with elastic, so you can fit different sizes in there. And if you don't need it, take it out, roll it up, slip it in and cover it, and then it's gone. Now, like I said, of course, it comes with this adjustable strap, because you need to be able to carry it on your shoulder or crossbody. This is this padded strap. Of course, it's the same color as the bag. It does have the Pakt logo, and it does have this mesh right here and padded. These are the handles here. Otherwise, of course, I can go ahead and fit my forearm through it, but I'm not going to be able to rest it on my shoulder. The drop on this handle is 5 inches. So this is nice and comfortable and sturdy. If anything does happen to your bag, Pakt does have a lifetime guarantee. If there is any issue with your bag, they will take care of it, period. It's literally a quote from their website. Now, the other feature on this bag, which is pretty cool, are these little hidden accessory straps. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you can go ahead and put anything on top that you want, maybe a yoga mat, maybe a winter coat that you're traveling with, and actually strap it on. I love that feature. Now we're gonna go ahead and open the inside. You guys are gonna see that I'm gonna open this bag. It's going to be clamshell style, which means I got to pack it just like it was a normal suitcase. But everything that's inside, I still have access to from the top. If you're in flight and you need to get something out of your bag, you can't just open it clamshell style. So every single thing that's packed on either this side or this side of the bag is available for grabs from these very convenient top pockets. Did you guys get a sneak peek of those super bright packing cubes? I know, I'm obsessed. Like I said, it's clamshell style, which, to be perfectly honest, is the #1 reason why I am so attracted to this bag. So being able to have this side be this stuff and this side be this stuff, I honestly think you can just pack more than if you just had this as one big open duffel. Goes all the way down, and it's a double zipper, of course. YKK. And it's just beautiful. So on this side here, you do have this little padded compartment, and this is bright. You have the Pakt logo right here, and then you have this zippered pocket, which is good for laptops. So I have my 13-inch MacBook Air in there, but it can fit a 16-inch laptop. And on this side, you do have this mesh compartment that opens up, and you do actually have a zippered compartment on the mesh too. So now we're gonna show you what's inside each of the sides. This is where I packed all of my clothes. Pakt also sent me their packing cubes. It does come in a 6-piece set and there's 3 different colors to choose from. These are the red ones, but they do look a little bit more orange, which is great because it's exactly what I was hoping for. There are 2 larges, 2 smalls, and then there is 1 stuff sack and 1 double-sided smaller one, which I will show you when we open up this side. So yeah, in this side, I was able to fit 2 of the packing cubes. I have the larger one, which I have 5 pairs of pants in, and I have the smaller one, which I have 9 shirts in that are my size, which is a 2X. These also have a nice little carrying handle on them, and I do love the translucent, and this actually feels really nice so that you can actually see what's inside of it without being a mesh. So then on the interior here, obviously it's still this light. This is a really nice, almost like wipeable material. And then on the inside corners, you do have these little mesh pockets. There's one on this side and there's one on this side. My skinny water bottle just barely fits, so it's probably meant for some smaller items. I packed 3 pairs of socks and 7 pairs of underwear. And then on here, I packed 2 bathing suits. This small size packing cube is double-sided. So you have everything in here and everything in here. This review just keeps getting better and better. Now this is what they call their stuff sack. All of the packing cubes actually came inside of here, and I went ahead and used it as a shoe bag. It has a drawstring top, it has this little handle, and I put my little hiking sandals in there. You can use it for whatever you want, but I thought that these would be really good to pack shoes in. Also on this side, I do have my little universal plug, a toiletries bag, and then Pakt did send their little sling bag. You'll probably want a sling while you're traveling. It can be crossbody or a waist bag. It does have this zippered pocket on the front with a light interior. It does have this magnetic little slip pocket on the back. And on the inside, extra organization. You have this little elastic right here. You've got this slip pocket that has a magnetic closure. This nice little mesh slip pocket, this little mesh pocket, this little slip pocket, this zippered mesh pocket, and of course another orange key leash. So I love how easily this fits in here. Now, once I empty this all out, you can see that this side here does have another zippered pocket. Can you believe it? I'm like running out of things to put in here. So you have this zippered pocket and it never ends. On the inside of the zippered pocket is another zippered pocket. It's sneaky. Just like the other side of the bag, you do have these other little mesh pockets as well. Pockets on pockets on pockets on pockets. Oh, I am overwhelmed by the amazing amount of stuff that I could fit in here and the incredible organization. Why would you use just a normal duffel bag that you just throw everything in when you can use something like this? Honestly. I mean, I'm blown away, you guys. This is really, really awesome. And I can't wait for Brian to come home and show him this, because this is totally a bag that he's gonna wanna use the next time we travel. He's gonna be like, ooh. All right, so what did you guys think? Please let me know down below if you are interested in this bag. This is your one stop for a duffel bag. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please press that subscribe button, especially if you want to travel often and pack well like we do. I've been to 92 countries and 7 continents in a carry-on bag. Bye.